Step 5 is to write the conclusion. So we've done all of this work going through our hypothesis test. We made our decision in step 4, and now we're going to conclude. The conclusion should always be written in context of the alternative hypothesis. So we're always going to write our conclusion in terms of HA. If we made the decision to reject HO, so we have HO and we have HA. So we have rejected HO, so I put an X on HO. Then we say that there is enough evidence to support HA. If we are rejecting HO, we're saying there is enough evidence to support HA. If we have made the decision to fail to reject HO, so if we fail to reject HO, we did not reject HO, and then we rejected HA, then we say there is not enough evidence to support HA. So either way, we're always writing the conclusion in terms of HA. We write our conclusion in the context of the alternative hypothesis. So for the conclusion for scenario 1, I'll remind you that our HO was that mu was equal to 43. Our HA was that mu was less than 43. Let's scroll up to step 4, where we made the decision to reject the null hypothesis. In step 4, we made the decision to reject HO. So we rejected HO. So I'm crossing HO out. So we're looking at this bullet point here. So we are going to say that with 95% confidence, that's our confidence level, which we calculated by doing 1 minus alpha. With 95% confidence, there is enough evidence to support, and I'm not just going to write the letters HA. I want to give this in the context of the problem. HA is that the population mean, that's what mu stands for, is less than 43 grams. So with 95% confidence, there is enough, I'm missing the word evidence to support that the population mean weight of a candy bar, that's what this all started about, talking about the population mean rate of a candy bar, is less than 43 grams. So everything here, the population mean weight of a candy bar is less than 43 grams. Everything that I just highlighted in blue, that is exactly what HA says. The population mean weight is smaller than 43, is less than 43. We put our level of confidence. We discussed that in the beginning with the 95%. That's coming from 1 minus alpha, giving us our 95%. And the decision that we have that there is enough evidence is coming from the fact that we rejected HO. So when we reject HO, we take HA.